the cornerstone of health. Calcium's vital role. This mineral is indispensable for our well-being. Calcium is crucial for a healthy body. It's a mineral we need in significant amounts. Foods rich in calcium include dairy products, leafy greens, and nuts. This essential nutrient contributes to various bodily functions, from building strong bones to enabling nerve communication. It also supports muscle function and blood clotting. Without enough calcium, our bodies wouldn't function optimally. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even more severe health issues. This essay will explore the importance of calcium, its role in different bodily processes, and how to ensure we get enough of this vital mineral. Understanding these aspects can help us make better dietary choices. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our bodies. About 99% of it resides in our bones and teeth, providing structure and strength. The remaining 1% circulates in our blood, muscles, and other tissues. This small amount is crucial for various metabolic functions. This small percentage plays a significant role in vital bodily functions, including hormone secretion and enzyme activity. Calcium acts as an electrolyte. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electrical charge, essential for various physiological processes. They are essential for muscle function, nerve transmission, and maintaining the body's fluid balance. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are key to overall health. Given calcium's diverse roles, understanding its importance is crucial for maintaining good health. Ensuring adequate intake can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Building blocks of strength, calcium, and bone health. Calcium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. Calcium is well known for its role in building and maintaining strong bones. It is found in various foods, especially dairy products. Bones provide our body's framework, protect our organs, and allow us to move. They are essential for our mobility and overall health. Calcium phosphate is the main mineral that gives bones their strength and rigidity. This mineral structure is crucial for bone density. Throughout our lives, our bones constantly undergo a process called remodeling. This process is vital for bone health and renewal. Old bone tissue is broken down and replaced with new bone tissue. This continuous cycle keeps our bones strong and healthy. Calcium is essential for this process. Without adequate calcium, bone remodeling cannot occur effectively. During childhood and adolescence, our bodies use calcium to build bones rapidly. This period is critical for bone development. We achieve peak bone mass around our late teens or early 20s. This peak is the highest bone density we will have in our lifetime. After this point, bone breakdown slowly outpaces bone formation. This natural process leads to a gradual loss of bone density. Adequate calcium intake is crucial during these formative years. A balanced diet rich in calcium supports optimal bone health. It ensures we reach our maximum bone density, setting the stage for strong bones throughout life. This foundation is essential for long-term health. As we age, maintaining sufficient calcium intake becomes even more critical to slow bone loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Staying active and consuming calcium-rich foods are key strategies. powering movement calcium's role in muscle function. Beyond its structural role in bones, calcium is vital for muscle function. Every muscle contraction, from blinking to running, requires calcium. It acts as a messenger, triggering the process that allows muscle fibers to contract. When a nerve signal reaches a muscle cell, it releases calcium from storage within the cell. This calcium then binds to proteins within the muscle fibers, triggering a series of events that ultimately lead to muscle contraction. Without sufficient calcium, our muscles wouldn't contract properly. This could lead to weakness, fatigue, and muscle cramps. In severe cases, calcium deficiency can even lead to life-threatening conditions like hypocalcemic tetany, which causes muscle spasms and difficulty breathing. Messages in motion, calcium, and nerve signaling. Nerves communicate with each other and with muscles through electrical and chemical signals. Calcium plays a crucial role in this communication process, acting as a messenger at the synapse, the junction between two nerve cells. When an electrical signal reaches the end of a nerve cell, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that carry the signal across the synapse. This release of neurotransmitters is dependent on calcium. Calcium influx at the nerve ending is essential for the fusion of vesicles containing neurotransmitters with the cell membrane. This fusion allows neurotransmitters to be released into the synapse, transmitting the signal to the next nerve or muscle cell. Without calcium, nerve signal transmission would be disrupted, leading to problems with sensory perception, muscle control, and cognitive function. The clotting cascade. Calcium's role in blood coagulation. When we get a cut, our body relies on a complex process called blood coagulation to stop the bleeding. Calcium is a crucial component of this process, playing a vital role in multiple steps. One of the key steps in blood clotting is the conversion of fibrinogen, a soluble protein, into fibrin, an insoluble protein that forms a mesh-like structure to trap blood cells and platelets, forming a clot. This conversion process requires the presence of calcium. Calcium also activates several clotting factors, proteins that circulate in the blood in an inactive form. When activated, these clotting factors participate in a cascade of reactions that ultimately lead to the formation of a stable blood clot, preventing excessive bleeding. From food to function. The body's absorption of calcium. Our bodies cannot produce calcium on their own. We rely on dietary sources to obtain this essential mineral, which is vital for many bodily functions. However, simply consuming calcium-rich foods isn't enough to meet our body's needs. Our bodies need to absorb the calcium from the digestive tract into the bloodstream to utilize it effectively for bone health and other functions. Calcium absorption is a complex process influenced by various factors, including age, overall health, and the presence of other nutrients in the diet, such as magnesium and phosphorus. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption by enhancing the efficiency of this process. Vitamin D promotes the production of a protein in the intestine that binds to calcium, facilitating its absorption into the bloodstream, ensuring our body gets the calcium it needs. Other factors that can enhance calcium absorption include adequate stomach acid, lactose, the sugar found in milk, and certain amino acids, which help in the breakdown and absorption process. Factors that can hinder calcium absorption include a diet high in phytic acid, found in grains and legumes, oxalic acid, found in spinach and other leafy greens, and a lack of vitamin D, which is essential for optimal calcium uptake. A foundation for wellness. Benefits of adequate calcium intake. Maintaining adequate calcium intake throughout life offers numerous health benefits, contributing to overall well-being. As discussed earlier, calcium is crucial for bone health, preventing osteoporosis and reducing fracture risk. Calcium's benefits extend beyond bone health. Studies have shown that adequate calcium intake may help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, and support healthy weight management. Calcium's role in muscle function and nerve signaling contributes to a healthy nervous system, supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Furthermore, calcium's involvement in blood clotting ensures proper wound healing and prevents excessive bleeding. Cracks in the foundation risks of calcium deficiency. When our bodies don't get enough calcium, it can lead to various health problems. In the short term, calcium deficiency can cause muscle cramps, fatigue, and brittle nails. Long-term calcium deficiency can have more serious consequences. Osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones, making them more susceptible to fractures, is a significant risk associated with calcium deficiency. This risk is particularly high in older adults, as bone density naturally declines with age. Calcium deficiency can also contribute to other health problems, such as high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. In children, severe calcium deficiency can lead to rickets, a condition that causes soft and weak bones, skeletal deformities, and delayed growth. Fueling your body. Sources of dietary calcium. Fortunately, incorporating calcium into our diets is relatively easy. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. Many plant-based sources are also rich in this vital mineral. Leafy green vegetables such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are good sources of calcium, although their absorption rates are lower than dairy products due to the presence of oxalic acid. Other plant-based sources include almonds, tofu, fortified plant milk, and calcium-set tofu. For individuals who struggle to meet their calcium needs through diet alone, calcium supplements are available. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before taking any supplements to determine the appropriate dosage and avoid potential interactions with medications.